Hi parents, this is Teacher Fikri. I'm going to teach you on how to teach your kids on how to jump up and down independently on trampoline with gesture prompt. So let me explain again. Prompting means to guide or to assist. So how can you assist your kids to jump up and down on trampoline with gesture? Let's say they have the skill to knee bend, but they tend to jump like this, right? So use gesture to remind them knee bend, knee bend, knee bend, and then up, down. So this is considered gesture because we are gesturing to go up and down for the kids that have the skill. So knee bend, jump, knee bend, up, down. This is the example for gesture part.